Building resilience, bouncing back from adversity. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and grow stronger through life's challenges. In this article, we'll explore the concept of resilience and provide actionable steps to help you build this valuable skill. Actionable steps: change your perspective. Shift your mindset from viewing challenges as obstacles to seeing them as opportunities for growth. Develop a support system. Build a strong support network of friends and family who can provide encouragement during tough times. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and understanding to yourself, especially when facing setbacks or failures. Set realistic goals. Break your goals into manageable steps and celebrate small victories along the way. Adopt healthy coping strategies. Engage in healthy coping mechanisms like exercise, meditation, and journaling to manage stress. Learn from adversity. Reflect on past challenges and consider what you've learned from them. Apply these lessons to future situations. Maintain flexibility. Be open to adapting your plans and strategies as circumstances change. Stay positive. Cultivate a positive attitude and focus on what you can control. Seek professional help. If you're struggling with severe adversity or mental health issues, don't hesitate to seek support from a therapist or counselor. Practice resilience daily. Incorporate these resilience-building habits into your daily life to strengthen your ability to bounce back from adversity.